Today we're going to set up Connect services in your new Taycan. We're going to do so through the Setup Wizard. Make sure that you're logged into your My Porsche app before starting this process. You have three possibilities for which language you would need to go through. First is English, Spanish, or French. For this video, we're going to select English. On the next screen, you'll have a QR code. Now what you need to do is get your mobile device, turn on your camera, and then you'll hold it over the QR code and select the link at the bottom. Now you'll look at the screen and there's an ID at the bottom, and make sure that is the same on your My Porsche app and select Confirm. You have successfully connected. For the next few seconds, the vehicle will start uploading your preferences that have been stored in your My Porsche account. Things like the radio station, seating position, and other climate control features. Don't be surprised if you hear static noise or your seat adjustment changes. The next screen you have is talking about the security code. If you would like to have a security code, you can select with. You can also select without security code or automatic. For best ease of use the automatic line. Select it here at the bottom. You'll need to enter your security code that you've previously configured through the My Porsche app and select OK. Now let's select Next. On this screen, it's talking about privacy mode. What this allows is it allows the vehicle to communicate with your My Porsche app and transmit certain information from the vehicle back and forth using those Connect services. We're going to go ahead and select Disable to disable privacy mode. Privacy mode has been deactivated. Let's select Next. On this screen, you have the ability to set up voice control. You have a couple of options here. One is use online voice recognition, which uses the internet to search what you're asking for, and then also activate with Hey Porsche. This is an activation word to bring up the Porsche voice pilot. We would suggest using both of these, depending on your preferences. Next, we're going to connect your phone. On your mobile device, you'll go to Settings and then Bluetooth. Now search for device. You'll see your device pop up on the menu here, and you can select Pair. Allow favorites to sync, select Allow. Now your phone has been connected via Bluetooth. Select Next. Porsche wishes you a safe journey. You now have finished the QR code activation process in your new Taycan.